What is up and welcome back to the video. So today we are going to be doing yet another product review, and what we're going to be reviewing today is the Powasol multi-purpose bike wash and the Powasol multi-purpose chain lube. So the bike wash, it is a general bike wash and degreaser, so it's safe on your motorcycle, car, bike, boat, whatever. I've already got all the power washing equipment ready because I did wash my little utility pickup. So according to the instructions on the bike wash, ideally you would want to dilute it a 1:5 mix in your little spray container. For today I diluted it about to a 3:1 ratio. It's not an exact science, I pretty much just pour in the bike wash and dilute it with water however I please. So the order of operation is going to be as follows. I am going to spray down the bike with the bike wash. As you guys can see, it is nice and filthy after the weekend's ride. Took off the little radiator shrouds over there. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to throw you guys onto time lapse and we're going to jump into it. All you want is to see me down and back in on the floor. Don't stop moving because I like the way that you choose me just right. I'm never backing down, never knowing when to stop. I want to know for you, 'cause your love's the only one I know. Just one more chance is all I need. I'll live to love but set you free. I will take you. Alrighty, and just like that we are done. So just check it out. Don't know if I'm really gonna make it, but I tried. I don't know if you really feel like I do. Losing my objective slowly out of sight. Just tell me how to make it right for you. Oh, I won't turn my back on you. So with minimal effort we managed to clean the bike properly, and you know, that's one thing that I really love about the Powasol products, as the products work extremely well and it is super efficient and convenient to work with the products. So now that we are done the bike wash, we are quickly going to hit the chain with the multi-purpose chain lube. Applying the Powasol multi-purpose chain lube is very easy. You either throw your bike on a stand or get someone to help you to lift the bike onto its kickstand, and then just liberally spray it on the chain until the entire chain is coated. Get it at the bottom as well. And it's as simple as that. Just wipe off the excess chain lube and you are good to go. The chain lube also works really nicely to clean the chain if you have a chain cleaning brush, so keep that in mind as well. I don't have a chain cleaning brush, so I clean my chain while I wash the dirt bike and then I just lube it up afterwards. And once again, it is as simple as that. Take the Powasol product, apply it, and done. Super quick, easy and simple. So if you guys are interested in any of the Powasol products that I've done product spotlights on, remember to check out Trax KTM BikeKings, UbLeisure, or Adventure NX. The links to all those companies will be down below in the description of this video. And if you have a hardware store or bike shop or whatever, and you're interested in becoming a dealer for the Powasol products, check out the dealer info down below in the description as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. Peace out and keep ripping.